name is Mark. This is my channel, Prince of Puffs. You can also find me on Instagram at Prince of Puffs. I wanted to let you know something else about our Tombstone that we make here at Hamilton Devices. Let's say you only have one cartridge, or let's say you had two and then one was a little bit less. That's perfectly fine because it comes with a dummy cartridge right here, so you can smoke one at a time. Same thing, you put it right over here. Good puffs, doing well. But let's say you have a friend that comes over and they want to start blending and give you some of theirs. Very easy. Take this off, remove this, insert the other cart, cover, now you're blending, and now you're getting twice as big a hits. Thank you.